and I'm in the wrong world. Sorry. Just wanted to say, this is my first video, but my 8th video, because it's my other YouTube channel. I was wondering if you guys would love to, if you guys would like it, I can't speak, if you want me to do some craft videos and other stuff too. I'm not sure. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. And this isn't complete because it was my nephew's. No, I meant my cousin was playing with this, and he didn't do that good. Good thing he doesn't know about this YouTube channel. You guys may know from Harold's Gaming 245 that my cousin's actually Brother Blood 21. That's his Roblox name. Yeah, he's Brother Blood. Well, yeah. So that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching. Peace.